In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out what kind of graphics card is in your computer. It could be a laptop or a desktop, it doesn't matter. But you may need to update your driver and find out what kind of graphics card you have to do so. Or you may be wanting to get into crypto mining and find out what kind of graphics card is on your computer. I'll show you two ways on how to do it. The first way, if you bring the mouse all the way down here to the very left bottom corner and right click, and then you're going to scroll up to Device Manager, left click on Device Manager. And now we're going to scroll down here from the top and expand Display Adapters. And that shows you right there what type of graphics card is in your computer. Now if that doesn't work, I'm going to show you another way. Anywhere out here in the open on your desktop, go ahead and right click. Scroll down to Display Settings and do a left click. And now we're going to scroll down here kind of towards the bottom, and we're going to left click on Advanced Display Settings. And now over here on the left side towards the bottom, it should say Display Adapter Properties for Display 1, or it may just say Display Adapter. Go ahead and left click on Display Adapter. And there it shows your graphics card as well. So those are the two ways to figure out what type of graphics card is in your computer. Hope this video was helpful and informational to you, and thanks for watching.